Imagine a winter boot that's not only designed to handle extreme conditions, but also offers the versatility of being two shoes in one. Meet the new Balance Niobium Concept 3, the future of winter footwear. So what makes the Niobium Concept 3 stand out? Well, this isn't your typical pair of winter boots. New Balance has created a modular boot that combines function, comfort, and innovative design, perfect for both outdoor adventures and cozy nights by the fireplace. It's the third in the series, developed in collaboration with Snow Peak, and it's all about premium winter performance. The Niobium Concept 3 debuts in two stylish colorways, classic black and an earthy green. The upper is made with Event, a waterproof yet breathable material that keeps out moisture while allowing your feet to breathe, which is key when you're facing snow or slush. The boot also has PRIMALOFT insulation, known for providing warmth without the bulk, making these a fantastic choice for any cold weather conditions. One of the coolest features of these boots is that they're modular. You can actually detach the inner boot and use it like a slipper, perfect for when you're back in the cabin or at home. This two-part design is ideal for the winter, allowing you to stay comfortable and dry both indoors and outdoors. And let's not forget about performance. The Niobium Concept 3 includes New Balance's ROLLBAR technology, which provides added arch support and stability, ideal for uneven surfaces. Paired with a Vibram outsole, these boots have outstanding grip on icy and snowy terrain, giving you both style and security on any winter adventure. These boots also pay tribute to nature with design touches inspired by the winter sky and even include elements from Japanese poetry. With accents like the neon orange event tag on the sole, there's a subtle but unique style element that adds just a bit more personality. Excited to get a pair? The new Balance Niobium Concept 3 will be available starting December 2nd, with a retail price around €220. Considering the design, functionality, and materials, it's clear that New Balance and Snow Peak aim to make this a worthwhile investment for winter enthusiasts. So, what do you think of this hybrid winter boot slipper concept? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know if the Niobium Concept 3 has earned a spot on your winter gear list. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest releases in footwear and fashion.